Guys, today we're going to be making the best paper airplane. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
First,
It
you want
starts
to,
off as a normal airplane.
but then it gets way better. So
Yeah.
first you want to do this.
Yeah.
Do it on the other side. And then, so you got that. You got to fold it. And this. So you get that. And fold these. Flatten it out.
And make the wings short.
Yeah, pretty short, pretty short.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Now, I throw the airplane.
Right here.
Okay,
So 3, 2, 1.
one. It flies pretty far, farther than normal.
Yeah. And if you want us to do more paper airplane videos, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.